Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Matt at Harley-Davidson in Kokomo. I know we're having a great day. We just got this fresh release from the motor company, 2026 Softail Super Glide. Perfect timing for the American 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence. This is a throwback to the original factory custom 1971 on the FX chassis by Willie G. Design. Re-released 2006 on the Dyna chassis, and now we got it in 2026 on probably the best chassis for any cruiser Harley's ever made, the new Softail chassis since 2018 with the Milwaukee 8117 motor. This thing straight rips. Serialized, limited edition, only 2,500 made. If you want one, you better get one. Best thing about this bike, MSRP $15,999. That's right, it's crazy. So we got one here for now. Come get it while you can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.